A beautifully maintained 2+1 bedroom brick bungalow with 3 washrooms, nestled in the family-minded Samac neighbourhood of northeast Oshawa. Welcome to 799 Coldstream Drive. The front door, its sidelight, and arched transom are accented with decorative glass inserts and open into a tiled foyer with direct access to the garage, as well as carpeted split staircases to the main and lower levels. Hardwood flooring flows throughout the main hallway, which is brightened by a timeless chandelier, and into the open concept entertaining spaces, where a modern chandelier illuminates the dining area, and an east-facing window here, as well as north-facing windows in the living area, flood these combined rooms with natural light. A hardwood railing maintains an openness between the foyer and the living room, with the light from the foyer's chandelier and through the front entrance also spilling into these spaces. And for added coziness, a wood-burning brick fireplace spreads warmth throughout. The kitchen and its breakfast area are finished with ceramic flooring and have ceiling panel lighting, as well as a crystal and metal flush mount light fixture to complement the natural light through a south-facing sliding door walkout and through the east-facing window above the stainless steel double sink. Warm and inviting, the kitchen features beautiful oak cabinetry with ample storage, a center island with seating that also provides additional counter working space, a stone-tiled backsplash, and appliances including a built-in microwave and dishwasher, oven with smooth surface cooktop, as well as a side-by-side fridge freezer. The walkout opens onto a raised deck overlooking the backyard, and in addition to the kitchen's cabinetry storage, there is also a double-sized pantry closet across the hall. The main level also features a double coat closet with mirrored doors, a linen closet, as well as 2 bedrooms and 2 washrooms, with the second bedroom featuring a west-facing window, a single closet, and broadloom for cozy comfort. While the main 4-piece washroom features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. The graciously sized and naturally bright master bedroom also has broadloom for cozy comfort, and additionally features a ceiling fan, a large south-facing window, and a 4-piece ensuite washroom with ceramic finishes throughout, a walk-in shower area, as well as a separate soaker tub. And to complete this lovely personal retreat are 2 very spacious double closets along its east wall. This home also features front garden beds filled with shrubs for seasonal and year-round greenery, a driveway that can accommodate 4 vehicle parking in addition to the 1.5 car garage, as well as a finished walkout lower level with a separate entrance from the backyard that not only offers additional family living space, but also has potential for full conversion into an in-law suite. Ceramic flooring throughout its wide hallway is continued into the kitchen area and into a 3-piece washroom with a ceramic tiled walk-in shower area, a Euro vanity, and a storage closet. Across from the washroom is a nook with an existing salon sink that can be converted into a wet bar. There is an open area with laminate flooring and a double closet that can be renovated into a bedroom. The sliding door walkout opens onto a partially covered interlocking patio area, and the kitchen has existing cabinetry, a fridge and stove, great potential for future development, and with its generous size can also accommodate a dining area. This level additionally features oversized above-grade windows, a combined furnace and laundry room with washer and dryer, as well as storage space, and there is more storage available under the stairs. And this level would not be complete without a very spacious, yet very cozy, family recreation area featuring broadloom, track lighting, and the warmth of a wood-burning brick fireplace. A short walk to numerous parks, Sherwood and Jean Sauvé Public Schools, St. John Bosco Catholic Elementary School, and Maxwell Heights Secondary School, as well as walking distance to the Smart Center's Oshawa North Shopping Mall, and a wide variety of shops, restaurants, and services along Taunton Road, this home is also just a short drive to Ontario Tech University and Durham College campuses, the Cedar Valley and Harmony Valley conservation areas, golf courses, the GO and Via Rail stations, and for access to Highways 401 and the 407. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.